Alright, let's see what happens for real this time. I had a freaking blob of solder on the SCSI controller. See if it boots this time. From the hard drive. There we go. Problem solved. All this freaking time. This thing actually booted up pretty quick. Huh. See, I put the memory back in here. I'm actually quite surprised that this thing actually boots now. But now I need to get some System 7.5 diskettes, a keyboard, a mouse, and some games. I might get a controller with it. I might get a joystick too. So let's go ahead and turn it on again. I only found I had a freaking blob of solder and two freaking pins on the SCSI controller. Well, I guess I learned the hard way, huh? What? Oh no. I get a happy Mac. Boots the Mac. What? I get boots to the system operating system, which I think this is 6 point whatever it is, because I know the 7.x version shows megabytes available versus kilobytes available. So, in theory, I was able to get this thing working. I was actually going to let this thing run for a moment and make sure that everything's working a-okay. Just to make sure it's not going to crash on me or anything like that, but so far so good. I might have to decrease the brightness on the thing a bit, but oh no. Make sure I'm hitting the power switch, because I don't have a keyboard or a mouse for this thing yet. So there we are. System has been repaired.